The wait is finally over. The Robinhood Gold Card has officially arrived, and today, we're going to be unboxing it together. Now, in my last video, I walked you through the entire application and approval process, and I promised to follow up once the card was in hand. Well, I have it here with me today, and we're going to be taking a close look at the packaging, the design, and everything that comes with this brand new card from Robinhood. I am so happy to have you here with me today. Let's get started. Alright, so let's check this card out and see what it has to offer. So this is the package that came in the mail from the US Postal Service. Let's go ahead and turn this over, and you have this tab that you need to take off. Set that to the side. Open this up. All right. And we have this Robinhood Gold envelope. This is pretty neat. And on the back, has a number there. Not sure how well this is showing up on camera, but there is a gold number at the bottom of the backhand side of this envelope. So let's open it up and see what we have. All right, you have Robinhood here across the top. And we have my card here, this gold card at the bottom. And what's interesting is this is a bit similar to what I saw when I went through the application process. One of the last videos that I shared with you, there was an animation that popped up that showed something that looks very similar to this. So very comparable experience. That's pretty neat. So if I take this out and set this to the side for a moment, this is a little bit weighty. Yeah, this has a little bit of weight to it. And obviously you see the Robinhood leaf here. And other than that, it's pretty nondescript, but very understated, but very nice. And if I flip over to the back, have my name here and the Visa logo and the stripe. Now, what is very interesting is I do not see a card number on this card. Very nice security feature though. I like it. Flipping back over to the front, I have this. So I'm going to place this down for a moment and look at what we have in the center of this card or envelope. And there's just a QR code here to scan to activate the card. If you decide to apply for this card and you receive this in the mail, then this is what you'll have to do in order to activate your card. Now, I did notice as I went into the app prior to recording this video, once this card was delivered to me, there was an option to activate the card within the app. So it may very well be that this QR code takes you to the app, and that's the process that you would follow. You would activate it within the app. But I will be able to figure that out once I take a moment to scan this QR code. But closing this back up and turning to the back again, that's pretty much it. There's nothing else left in this box here that I can see. Just a envelope and my new Robinhood Gold Card. I am so excited about this. And that's gonna do it for today's video. This has been a quick unboxing of my new Robinhood Gold Card. I truly hope that you found this video helpful, and if you did, please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click that notification bell so that you don't miss out on the next one. And if you happen to know of others that are interested or curious about the Robinhood Gold Card, then be sure to share this video with them. And let me know down in the comments below if this is something you're going to be considering for your wallet. I want to thank you so much for watching. And as always, I encourage you to dream big, to live well, and to do great things. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.